Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy NFTs on Crypto.com. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Crypto.com account. This is a crucial initial step for security and compliance. Once verified, fund your account using either cryptocurrency or traditional fiat currency. Then, navigate directly to the dedicated NFT marketplace section within the Crypto.com app or website to begin your journey into digital collectibles. Once you're in the marketplace, take your time to explore the diverse range of NFT collections and talented artists. You can easily filter your search by categories, price ranges, or even rarity to find exactly what you're looking for. Before making a decision, always review the NFT's detailed information, including its current price and transaction history, to make an informed choice. When you've found the perfect NFT, simply select it and click the Buy Now button. A confirmation screen will appear, allowing you to review all the purchase details and confirm your chosen payment method. After a final check, approve the transaction. The system will then process your request, and the NFT will soon be yours, officially recorded on the blockchain. After your purchase is complete, you can easily access all your newly acquired NFTs within your personal profile or collection section. Here, you can proudly display your digital collectibles or even transfer them to another wallet if you wish. If you ever decide to part with an NFT, you also have the option to list it for resale on the marketplace, offering flexibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.